Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the new iPhone 12. So we have the new iPhone 12 with us, and this is the 128GB storage variant, and we have the blue color. So this is a new blue color which has been launched, and the pricing is 84,990, and the base variant 64GB storage variant retails for 79,990. So this is the box package, and you can see that it's a very slim box package and probably the first smartphone to ship without a charger. So it does not come with a charger, instead it just comes with the charging cable and the phone alone. So very slim box package, and you can see that this is the iPhone 12 Blue 128GB storage variant. So actually this is an imported variant. It's made in China variant. So that's you can see that the pricing, everything is mentioned here. And let's do the quick unboxing. So opening up, you can see the new blue color. So this is the new blue variant. We have the dual camera setup, the Apple logo, and you can see this is the variant. So we have the alert slider, the volume up and down key, the power button. So and you have the lightning adapter here, and the speaker unit. The top does not have any openings or slots, and looks really great in terms of build quality. So we'll talk about that. Then you get the SIM ejector pin. So that's a very simple box package, nothing else. And you get the charging cable, so USB type C to the lightning cable. So that's all inside the box. So let's have a look at the device. So let's boot the device and we'll show you the iPhone 12. So now we have booted the device, and this device comes with a 6.1 inch OLED display. It's the Retina HDR, Super Retina HDR display, and it has 460 pixels per inch. And this actually looks really good. You can see the display colors are really vibrant, and display obviously iPhones have a superior display actually, so that's evident here. And this device runs on iOS 14.1, and that's a software. So we'll talk about the iOS later. That's the things. Now it comes with a dual camera setup. So it's a dual 12 megapixel camera, primary 12 megapixel camera, and then you also get an ultra wide angle lens, which is again a 12 megapixel camera. Ultra wide is f2.4 aperture, and the primary camera is f1.6 aperture, which is pretty good. 2x optical zoom is included, and then you get the sapphire crystal lens cover also included. And in the front panel you get a 12 megapixel f2.2 aperture camera for selfies, and all the other options are included. So we'll talk about the camera in detail. So it's one of the really good cameras out there, and we'll be doing an in-depth camera review of this device, talking about all the aspects. So stay tuned for our detailed review. So let's quickly have a look at the camera interface. So you can see that this is the new interface, and you can see that video recording, 4K 60 FPS is supported, slow motion, photo, portrait, panorama, all those things are included. So that's the camera, and we'll be doing a detailed camera review later, so stay tuned for that. So here are some camera samples taken with the iPhone 12 after unboxing. So we'll be talking in depth about the camera later, so stay tuned for that. So the Apple iPhone 12 is powered by the A14 Bionic chipset. It's a custom chipset from Apple, and it's one of the really powerful chipsets out there. And again, it's more powerful than the last year's A13. And this device has other features like wireless charging. You also get the MagSafe wireless charging, which is sold as a separate accessory. And you also get the IP68 water and resistance capabilities. Along with that, you get a 5G support. Again, 5G is not available in India as of now, but this device is 5G compatible across the globe, so you can use any 5G SIM cards as well. Now this device, again, as I said before, runs on iOS 14.1, and we'll talk about iOS later when we do other videos. So that is a quick overview, and this device comes with the latest version of hardware, and you also get the Face ID. There is no fingerprint sensor, which has been removed quite long back. Now you also get the Face ID. We'll just see the Face ID. You can see it's very fast in terms of unlocking, and extremely great in terms of experience as well. So in terms of charging, this device does not come with a charger, but you need to get an adapter. You can actually charge with a PC. If you have a laptop, you can charge it with that using the lightning cable which is provided in the box. In case you want to have a separate charger, you can buy it from Apple website or from Apple dealers. You can get either the standard 5-volt charger or the 20-watt charger, which can charge the device up to 50% in around 30 minutes time. So that's sold separately. So that is a quick unboxing and hands-on way that the iPhone 12 launched in India today for a price starting 79,990, and we have the 128GB storage variant. 84,990 is the pricing, and the base variant is having 64GB storage. So hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.